Good morning and namaste everybody. I am Mani Raj Dangal from Nepal Open University. Recently, I am doing MPhil in sociology. Today, I am going to present the idea related to current and evolving paradigm of e-research. Uh, People say that e-research is propaganda or paradigm shift. So, to clarify it, whether it is propaganda or paradigm shift, I have prepared this slide. And next thing is that what is difference between e-research and traditional research, and what are the things we find if we compare traditional research and this current trend of e-research. Let's start. My topics is current and evolving paradigm of e-research. Uh, as we know that research is the way of finding the things that is scientifically verified by using different scientific tools. So e-research is different from research. In e-research, we use information technology to support existing and new forms of research. Without using the ICT tools, it is very difficult to find out actual findings using the e-research. The main objective of this slide is to explore the latest development and involving paradigm in research. Mostly e-research is a concept which is started during 2000 AD. It is collaborative and interactive research made possible by the internet and data or computational grids. It can and has been abused and misused by people keen to jump on the bandwagon. E-research present many challenges, both technical and organization. Traditional academia rewards individual performance and specialization. It neglects the collective and interdisciplinary efforts, which is characterized by the research here. E-research is a paradigm shift that is changing the way that the research is conducted and resides in many academia, discipline, and research institutions. It has some paradigm. It has got its own ontology. Ontology means what is the reality. It has got its own epistemology. Epistemology means what and how can I understand the reality related to the knowledge. And it has got its own theoretical perspectives, methodology. Uh, by blending ontology, epistemology, and research, it will be a research paradigm. What the difference between e-research and traditional research then? Mostly on the basis of participation, if we compare these e-research and traditional research, we find that in e-research, diversified skills and distributed research items will be there, whereas in traditional research, individual researchers or small local research items, teams, area can be used there. And various number of data can be generated and distributed in different location in e-research, whereas locally generated asset and then stored and accessible data are collected in traditional research. Mostly in e-research, ICT tools are used, in traditional not used. In the same way, we have some mm, propaganda. Let's say it is also propaganda, whether research is paradigm shift or propaganda. Nowadays there are different perceptions of different people towards e-research. Some people says that e-research is propaganda, whereas some other perceives it is the form of propaganda shift in the process of research. Some people say that it is the conceptualized as the research conducted relying on supporting infrastructures that should properly be called research infrastructure, or let's say cyber infrastructures. It has got mostly two types of paradigm. One is positivism, another is interpretivism. Positivism related to quantitative research, whereas interpretivism related to qualitative research. And to uh, make the research paradigm shift, we have some steps. First, we have to identify the paradigm elements we want to change, and then what is the goals we must find out. We must write down our goals, and after mapping our goals, we must adjust the mindset, and whatever uncomfortable things are there, we must do the uncomfortable things. We need to get out of our comfort zone, that means, and at last whatever we want to make, we want it. Thank you.